National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Warren County, northwestern Clinton County, southwestern Greene County, until 6 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lebanon, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh, wow.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Middletown, Lebanon, Springboro, Wilmington, Monroe, Franklin, Waynesville, Hunter, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, Port William, Paintersville, State Route 63 at State Route 741, Lytle, Lumberton, Mount Holly, Oakland, Pekin, and Gentown. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 32 and 56. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 32 and 38.